Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss Tangent-Secant External Angle Theorem. So let's start with the introduction. The measure of an angle formed by a tangent and a secant of a circle intersecting at a point daw in the exterior of the circle ay kalahati daw no ng absolute value of the difference of the measures of the intersected arcs. So let's just have an example na lang. So, introduction muna tayo. So, ito yung tangent. Yan. Touching only one point at yung secant. And nag-pass sa circle. So, CBD. Itong AC ang tangent. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin dito, yung angle na to ay equal daw sa absolute value ng DA, itong larger arc, minus daw sa smaller arc which is AB. At yung sagot niyan, i-divide natin siya ng 2. Or in other words, yung measure ng exterior angle nito, larger arc minus mo sa smaller arc. Yung sagot niyan, i-divide natin ng 2. So first example, ang given natin, ang larger arc natin which is arc DA is 130 degrees. At ang smaller arc, that will be 50 degrees. Ito yun. Hanapin daw natin yung external angle. So, lagyan natin yung formula. Larger arc minus smaller arc. Yung sagot niyan, divide natin ng 2. Substitute natin. So, angle C, ito, ay 130. Minus mo daw ng 150. At yung sagot, divide natin ng 2. 130 minus 150, that will be 80. So, yung 80, divide mo ng 2, ang sagot ay 40. So, 40 degrees to external angle na to. Kung may tangent ka dito at may secant, 40 to. Example number 2. So, we have a given, ang angle C naman natin ang binigay. So, that will be 55. At ang smaller arc mo ay 75 degrees. Pinapahanap sa atin yung larger arc, which is arc DA. So, para makuha yan, measure of angle, ito, is equal to larger arc. So, ito yung larger arc na to, minus smaller arc, divide mo ng 2. So, para makuha yan, substitute mo muna yung mga values dun sa formula. So, yung dito, that will be 55 degrees kasi ito yung external angle. So, dito na yan. Larger arc ay, hindi pa natin alam. So, lagyan mo natin larger arc. Ito yun. Maminus tayo ng 75 degrees. That will be the smaller arc. Ito. Divide natin in 2. Para makuha yung value ng larger arc, gagamitin natin ng algebra. So, multiply both sides by 2. That will be 110 degrees. Is equal to the measure of the larger arc, which is arc DA. Maminus natin sa 75 degrees. And the value of arc DA is 185 degrees. Next one. Example number... So, binaliktad ko lang pala dito. Yan. So, gusto ko kasing nasa kaliwa yung hinahanap natin. Lagi. So, yung value niya nasa kanan. Next one. Example number 3. Given natin, arc DA, yung larger arc is 82 degrees. At ang angle C natin, that will be 15 degrees. Minapahanap sa atin yung smaller arc. So, paano natin nahanapin yun? So, simple lang naman siya. So, ginawa natin ng example number 2, lagay mo yung formula. Substitute natin. So, you have 15 dito, yung external angle. And next one, ang larger arc natin, that will be 82 degrees. Ngayon, yung smaller arc, dahil hindi pa natin siya alam, so as is lang siya. Ngayon, multiply both sides by 2. That will be 30 degrees. So, mawawala na yung fraction. Mawawala na yung 2. 30 degrees is equal to 82 degrees minus mo ng smaller arc. Now, simplify it para mahanap yung smaller arc. Negative 52 degrees dito. At ito naman ay negative smaller arc. So, divide both sides by negative 1, and the answer is 52 degrees. So, etong arc na to, itong AB, ay 52 degrees. So, lagyan natin 52 degrees. Next one. So, last example tayo. Paano kapag ang binigay, hindi ang external angle lang, hindi binigay yung smaller arc, hindi rin binigay yung larger arc. Ang binigay lang ay yung nasa labas na hindi siya larger arc, hindi siya smaller arc. So, dito yung binigay. Paano yun? Tandaan natin na ang measure ng circle ay 360 degrees. So, let x muna tayo. Itong smaller arc, gawin muna natin siyang x. At itong larger arc, magiging 360. Kasi 360 yung buong measure ng buong bilog. So, ito daw ay x, ito daw ay 210. Para makuha mo to, mag 360 minus mo siya sa 210. Ito yan, 210 at minus mo siya sa x para makuha mo yung huling parte ng bilog. Okay? So, let arc DA is equal to 360 minus 210 minus x. Now, simplify mo yung 360 minus 210, that will be 150 na lang. Kasi 360 minus mo ng 210 is equal to 150. 150 na lang. Para mas simple siya. So, yung arc DA natin, that will be 150 minus x. Okay, moving on. So, lagay mo yung formula again. Measure of angle is equal to larger arc minus smaller arc. At yung sagot niyan, di-divide natin ng 2. Let's substitute the value. So, ang external angle mo ay 25 degrees, which is this one. At ang larger arc, 150 minus x. Ito. Ang smaller arc mo naman ay ito. X lang. So, 150 minus x. Ito. Ngayon, hanapin natin yung value ng x. So, multiply both sides by 2. And you will have 50 degrees is equal to 150 minus mo ng x at minus kalit ng x. Simplified further, magiging 50 degrees is equal to minus 2x. Kasi x minus x, okay, negative x, sorry. Kasi tinan mo, negative x minus x is equal to negative 2x. Ito yun. Ngayon, isolate natin yung x. So, that will be negative 100 degrees is equal to negative 2x. Divide both sides by negative 2. And you will have, papakita ko. Divide both sides by negative 2. And you will have an answer of 50 degrees. So, ang value ni x daw ay 50 degrees. So, pwede mo nang palitan to. So, that will be 50 degrees to. Para makuha to, syempre, 150 minus 1 of 50 is equal to 100. So, 100 degrees daw yung arc BA. At ang AB ay 50 degrees. Tama kaya tayo? Check natin. Ang buong measure ng bilog dapat ay 360. So, meron kang 100, meron kang 50, and you have 210. Pag pinalas mo lahat yan, ang sagot ay will be 360. So, tama tayo. And that's the end of the lesson on how to solve Tangent-Secant External Angle Theorem. At kung may assignment kayo or if you'd like to comment or suggest another math and language video, please comment down below. Okay, ulitin ko, kung may assignment kayo, tutulungan ko kayo as much as possible. Comment nyo lang. And thank you very much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And also click the bell notification para updated kayo sa bagong videos ng math and language. Yung ibang links ng videos about the tangent-secant, tangent-tangent, at yung English version na to, nasa description box. Yalagay ko na lang siya pag natapos ko na. Thank you. Goodbye.